Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. For those of you who are new, welcome to the family. Don't leave without subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload another video. So if you want to see how I create this bomb ass look right here, continue watching the video. Right into the makeup. I went ahead, I did my hair and my eyebrow off camera because we don't want this to take up too much time that it's actually supposed to. So I'm just gonna finish the eyebrows by blending it out. Alright, so for the lids, I'm going to prime the lids with my what is this? LA Girl Pro Concealer. Ooh, the sun is coming up. The sun is up. The sun is up. This is in Warm Honey. So I'm going to take that all over the lid. Set that with this Pro Concealer Pro Powder. Oh shoot, this is in yellow, but it's not so yellow, it's more white than yellow. All right, so I'm going to set the eyes with this. I'm thinking more of a shimmer, more shimmer colors, because I don't know, that's how I'm feeling. Feeling. The palette that we'll be using today. Let me set my mirror down. This is the Neon Bright, and I have makeup all over it because I was playing with it. So this is the Neon Bright palette. It has some beautiful colors, guys. I'm Mr. Beautiful, I mean beautiful colors, and they are super bright, very pigmented. Yeah, honestly, they're nice. So we're going to play up in this. Guys, I honestly don't know how this is going to look, but don't come for me. Don't come for me. We're trying something here. We're trying something. So we're going to go in this pink right here. I think this pink right here. So I'm going to use this eyeliner waterproof. It's the JK color eyeliner, and it's waterproof. I wonder if is that how it's supposed to be? I don't know, but yeah. So I'm going to do a smallish. Small enough. So that's it for the wing. Now for the lash. I got these lash on AliExpress. I don't think they have any names. No, not AliExpress. Amazon. They are super fluffy, super big, but I love them. I love them. They're flirty and they're very nice. I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face. First, I'm going to use the hyaluronic acid, not hyaluronic, yes, the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Derma Intensive Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So this is it. I also have the moisturizer, but I'm not going to use that moisturizer today. I'm not going to be using that one. I have used this a couple of times, and honestly, my face feels super good. Feels smooth and nice. So guys, my battery died and the sun is against me. The sun is setting. It's now, I'm not sure what time it is. Let me have to just game the video and done. So I went ahead and did my lash off camera because it took a little time to get some charge. So I'm going to finish moisturizing the face using my Neutrogena Hydra Boost. I'm going to do some primer. So I have this LA Girl Pearl Primer. This is the one that I'm using, and it's kind of finished, you know what I'm saying. I'm going to take this is it Maybelline? Yes, Maybelline Fit Me foundation in deep golden. Not gonna use a lot. I have also learned a technique. Yes, I have. So for those of us who have that smile line, that beautiful smile line, I have learned a technique where it has to do with applying the foundation, right? Right. So upon applying the foundation, instead of putting a bag of product on your face in the inner section of the face, you start from the outer part of the face, like so, and build it in, build it in, build it in. Do it in thin sections. Use a small amount of product and build it in. So for the under eyes, I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut. I'm going to take this Damp Beauty Blender to blend that out. To also use a lighter shade for the under eye. Yes, I'm going to use Warm Honey just right here, brighten up the eyes a little. For contouring, we're going to take this Kiss New York cream to powder in dark chocolate. This is it. It's in the shade dark chocolate cream to powder. So this is what we're gonna use as our, to use this brush right here to do the contouring. And this is so nice. Like, I'm in love. I'm in love. This cream to powder, love it. Guys, I love it. You need to get one. Need to. And none of this is sponsored. None of this is, I'm not being paid to promote anything for anyone. I just love it. Like, I'm in love with this. My niece and nephew is right outside, so if you're hearing some laughter and boom boom, that's them pretending to drive. So we're going to go ahead and set the under eye, the nose, the cupid's bow, the under chin, the forehead using my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I'm also, oh damn, oh damn, I spilled it. I'm also going to use my beauty blender to apply the setting powder. So we're just pressing that into the face. And I love this because it just gives you a matte finish. Like, ta-da! Guys, I'm sorry about the light, guys. I'm super sorry, but it's gonna get better. Not to worry. Not to worry. And then for the nose. Set the forehead. Alright, and to set the rest of the face, we are going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in dark, number 40. I'm going to be using this brush right here. Right. Set the face. Ooh, that's too much better. Too much good. Too much. Ooh, oh yes. This powder is giving me dark and lovely. Little seems to go a long way. Put this powder right here. Just setting the rest of the face. Using it. Ooh, oh damn, that's too much. That's a little bit too much. It's a little bit too much. That's a little bit too much, too much, too much. We're going to brush all the products away. Right. Yes. Talk about what? Who? Who? Me? Girl, I'm perfect. Like, shut the fuck up. Alright, so after we have done that, we are going to do the waterline on the eye. So I'm going to use again the black eyeliner. Yes, I'm going to use my LA Girl bronzer. I use it as a highlight because it's so highlighty. This is the package. This is what it looks like. So it fell and a piece of it fell out. But this is what it looks like. So I'm going to use that. Look at that. You can't tell me that that's not a highlight. Like, that's not a highlighter. Like, are you crazy? What are you trying to do to me? Look at that. Like, whoop, whoop. I think I used a little too much. Too much. Yes, ma'am. And the apples of the cheek. Yes, ma'am. So we're gonna do it on the nose bridge also. This look is so nice. For the cupid's bow. And all right, so for lips, is that it for lips? For lips, I'm going to use the same clean color in a dark brown to line my lips. Wonderful. Wonderful. Now we're going to use this matte, I think it's Timeless, I'm not sure, lipstick Comfort Beauty. I think the name of it is Timeless. It's by Comfort Beauty. This is what it's, a soft pink like the one that I have on my eyes. Soft. It's also matte. So let's go. And I haven't used this for a while. Long while too. You're not even really seeing it on camera, but it's beautiful. I'm not even sure if I want it to stay matte. Like, do I? Do you? Should I? I don't know. Alright, so this is it when it's matte. And then we're gonna put a little shimmer, 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 shimmer. Not shimmer, but gloss. And this gloss. Listen, I have been using these lip gloss from, I was going to primary school. They are thick, they are so nice, and they smell amazing. Who remember these lip gloss? Scan them. Who remember these? Like, I wonder if Spice remember what when she used to say it. Scan them. But yeah, like when I remember these, it's thick. Actually, I saw my mom with it and I'm like, oh, I have to have that. So I'm just take it away. Wasn't able to go to the beauty supply store to get me any. So I got this. And it smells so nice. Thick, it's nice. I promise that next time I am about to do my face, I'll do it early so the sun doesn't catch me. Alright, so to set the face, I'm using, no, this is not what's in the bottle. So my Mario Barisco spray, this is what is in this. The spray thing broke, so I transferred it to this one. So this is what I'm going to use to set the face, everything, to just set everything. It feels so refreshing and nice. And you know I look wet and all, but girl, give me a minute. That's all I need, just a minute. And then I press in the product in this part of my face. So that means, did you see what I just did? Did you? All right, guys, so this is the finished look. I'm going to put my hair down, take this off, and then I'll come back. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. Yes, I think it turned out pretty good. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. So I did not put any highlights in the inner corners of my eye. What's wrong with me? And the inner corners of my eye, so I went ahead and did that off camera. Yes, I straightened my hair and did all the what I'm supposed to do to it. So if you like how this look turned out, let me know down in the comment section below, and let me know what you would like to see me do. And for this hair though, guys, I'm giving you know what I'm giving? I'm giving inches. So go ahead, spam up the like button, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye. Whoa.